You said forever, but forever walked away. Now I'm sitting in the dark whispering your name. We used to dance under the silver rain. Now I'm just drowning in the pain. Every I love you turned to silence. Every smile burned down in defiance. I still replay the nights you cried. Said you were tired of all my lies. If I could turn the hands of time, I'd hold your heart instead of pride. Now the stars don't shine the same. Without your light I fade away. I called your name, but it's too. Your perfume lingers on my bed, the ghost of love that never fled. Every memory cuts so deep, haunting the promises we couldn't keep. I see a shadow when I close my eyes. You're with him now, I can't deny. I broke the bridge we used to cross. Now I'm stranded in my loss. I still write your name in rain, knowing it will fade again. I give the world to make it right, but you're already out of sight. We'd find our way back through the night. But now your heart beats for someone new, and I'm just learning to forget you. It's too late to stay, too late to try. I forever turn to goodbye. And even if I see you someday, I'll smile and whisper it's okay. It's too late.